Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida, and back to another video. And also today's Thursday, so you know what that means? That means it's tool time Thursday. So today we're gonna kind of go over some micro finger wrenches. I'm not sure if you guys ever heard of that, but I have some. If this is your first time or not even your first time checking out our channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, for future upload, like, share, and subscribe to the channel again, and comment down below. So these are the tools for today, Tool Time Thursday. They're the Matco tools RFRB, and they're the little micro, I think they're called like finger wrenches, and they're really small to get in tight spaces, and then they flex like this, which I think is pretty cool to get them in some into some tight areas that you normally can't get a tool in. The only thing that I don't like about these is, as you know, sometimes with these ratcheting wrenches, that's only one way you kind of get yourself in trouble. If you back something out and then get stuck, then there's no way for you. If there's no way to get this out, then you can't get the screw. So you're gonna have to figure a way to screw the screw enough to get this back off. So that's the only drawback I'll say, is that this isn't reversible. But I'm sure if it was reversible, it would be a lot bigger. And here is the part number on that one. So it comes with a set, and it has 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. Those are the most common metric sizes of nuts they have out there. Pause. But yeah, so those are the Matco tools mini finger flex wrench. Let me see if I have anything that's in a tight area. I was working on my bumper the other day, and it actually came in handy because it's in a small area that I need to operate. But yeah, but I think they're pretty cool. These little, weird little tools, you never think you need them until you're in a situation where you need them. So yeah, definitely check them out. I'll put the price in the description. I don't remember how much I paid for them, but I just liked having them because they seemed pretty cool, and they'll make themselves pretty useful when you need it. So yeah, let me see if I could find something like a tight area to where these would make perfect sense. So here it is inside my bumper. What I had to do is, I had my toe strap, and there's a bolt in here that I needed to tighten. So what I did was, I was able to put the little finger wrench in there, and then I'll be able to, like, I use my finger, and I'll be able to, and I've tightened it up pretty solid. So it's pretty cool. So then to get it out, I'm just gonna do that, lower it back down, flatten it out, and then I'll just use this finger, turn it around, and pull it out of there. And voila, just like that, I was able to tighten that bolt in that confined area where I wasn't able to get a regular size. I guess I could put sockets or anything in there, but it's just the convenience of just trying to show you how you could use these in little tight areas to get stuff accomplished. All right, guys, that has brought the end to another Tool Time Thursday. So mini finger ratchet and wrenches from Matco. Again, as usual, thanks for checking out the channel. Definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon for future upload, like, share, and comment on the videos. Let me know what tools you'd like to see, and let me know if you think this is a pretty cool tool or just a waste of money. I like it. It's not for everybody, but you never know when you may need it. Again, guys, thanks for watching another Tool Time Thursday. Peace.